Google just released NanoBanana AI, and by now you've probably seen many videos on how it can change backgrounds, place objects, the usual stuff. I'm not here to show you more photo tricks. I'm here to show you how to actually make money from it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to access and use NanoBanana for free, then I'll walk you through each money-making method. I'll show you 2 methods to use NanoBanana, the official way through Google AI Studio, and a second method that gives you more usage for free. First method, visit ai.studio or just Google it, and that's Google AI Studio. Click Generate Media, and select Try NanoBanana. This is the direct access Google provides, but here's the thing, it has very limited quota. It's really just for testing, so it won't let you generate enough images for any serious work. Here's method 2 and the trick to get unlimited access to NanoBanana for free. First, open an incognito window and Google LM Arena, open up this website. Here on top, click Battle and select Direct by Chat. Now click Generate Image and make sure Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview is selected, which is nothing but NanoBanana. Now you can use it for free, but after certain usage it'll say, that's your limit, try again after some time. Here's where the trick comes in, just close this incognito window completely, then open a fresh new incognito window and you'll be able to access it again. You can do this any number of times. Now that you're set up, let's talk money. Here are 7 ways you can earn from it. Method number 1, Product Shot Packs, and this is the easiest way to start making money immediately. Here's what's happening. Brands constantly need fresh visuals for social media and websites, but they hate paying for new photo shoots every time. Think about it, hiring photographers, models, renting studio space, coordinating schedules. A single professional shoot costs $500 to $2,000 and takes weeks to organize. With NanoBanana, you cut all that overhead. Watch this, I upload a basic product photo, boom. Professional lifestyle shot in 10 seconds. No studio, no crew, no wasted spend. Here's your deliverable, Product Shot Packs, 10 lifestyle and product shots delivered in 24 hours. Your pitch is simple, I deliver launch-ready product visuals in hours, not weeks, without the traditional photo shoot costs. Start at $25 to $50 per image while you're learning, but scale up fast. Once you nail the quality, charge $100 to $200 per image. A 10-image pack at $150 each? That's $1,500 for work you can complete in one afternoon. That's method 1, Product Shot Packs. Method 2 takes this concept even further. Method number 2, Ad Variation Bundles, and this is where the real money is. Here's what's happening in paid advertising. Media buyers are burning $5,000 to $20,000 monthly testing ad creatives, and most ads fail. They'll spend weeks creating 5 to 6 variations, launch them, and 80% don't work. Speed here equals massive ROI because finding winning ads faster means lower cost per acquisition and higher profits. With NanoBanana, I can solve this completely. Look at these wireless headphone ad variations I created in one afternoon. Same product, multiple contexts, ready for split testing immediately. Your deliverable, Ad Variation Testing Bundle, 20 ready-to-test ad variations delivered in 24 hours. Your pitch is simple, stop wasting money on losing ads. I deliver bulk variations so you can find winners faster and lower your CPA. Start at $500 to $1,000 per bundle, but scale to monthly retainers. Once you prove you can consistently deliver winning variations, charge $2,500 to $5,000 monthly retainers. E-commerce brands with $100,000 plus ad spend will gladly pay this. Ad variation bundles create high-value recurring clients. Method 3 targets a completely different market. Method 3, NanoBanana Consulting and Training. No, this isn't about being a world-class expert, it's about being 2 steps ahead and packaging that advantage for businesses that need it right now. Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, aka NanoBanana, is brand new and available via AI Studio/API, so early adopters are in short supply while demand for AI upskilling is exploding. Why this works is because businesses are racing to adopt AI, and they need playbooks, governance, and ROI-first use cases, fast. Positioning around a fresh model with clear editing and multi-image capabilities makes the offering timely and differentiated. You can offer a 60-minute strategy/enablement call at $150 per hour. You can conduct a half-day or full-day workshop for creative, paid media, or e-commerce teams, price as a fixed project using the same hourly anchors behind the scenes. After building some sort of a portfolio, you can also do done-for-you setup. It will be a 2-week implementation of workflows as a $2,000 plus fixed package, and you may use maintenance or keeping the workflow updated as a retainer model. What do you actually teach? Keep it concrete. Where NanoBanana lives, AI Studio and API, access models, and core capabilities like targeted edits, character consistency, and multi-image composition, and how to turn edits into measurable outcomes like reduced costs and faster process. Because the tool is new and the need for AI enablement is exploding, packaging knowledge into calls, workshops, and DFY setups is one of the fastest paths to revenue. Method 4. Build NanoBanana-powered niche tools. Here's the thing, NanoBanana has a full API, which means you can build custom web apps that solve very specific problems. Now you don't want to build an AI tool for everyone, the real money is in going narrow and deep, not broad. Instead of AI photo editor for everyone, think home staging visualizer for real estate agents. Instead of product mockup tool, think jewelry try-on simulator for online jewelers. Instead of brand asset generator, think restaurant menu photo creator for local eateries. The key is specificity. A broad tool might get you more users, but you'll have to compete for prices. With a niche tool you can price up to 5 to 10 times more for monthly subscriptions, and is way easier to build and market. You don't need to be a coding genius. The NanoBanana API handles the editing part, you're just building a simple interface that sends the right prompts and displays results. Method 5. Localized Market Adaptation Packs. This one's perfect for global brands that need local relevance without the massive overhead. Here's what happens with global campaigns. Brands create one amazing ad, then try to use it everywhere. But a luxury watch in New York's financial district doesn't resonate the same way in Tokyo's Harajuku district or London's Camden Market. Different cultures, different contexts, different buying triggers. The traditional solution is to hire local agencies in each market, spend $50,000 to $100,000 per region, wait months for results. Most brands just skip localization entirely and accept lower conversion rates. With NanoBanana, you can solve this in hours, not months. Take one product shot and instantly adapt it. Place this hoodie in the bustling Seoul Street scene, show in cozy Amsterdam cafe setting, display in modern Dubai mall environment, position in vibrant Mumbai market. Same product, 5 completely different cultural contexts that feel native to each market. Your deliverable, Global Market Adaptation Pack, one core creative adapted into 5 to 8 major markets with authentic local settings and cultural cues. Brands get local resonance without the traditional localization costs and timelines. Global e-commerce brands are desperate for this. They know localized ads perform 3 to 5 times better than generic ones, but the cost and complexity usually kills the project. You're offering the same results for a fraction of the cost and time. Start at $1,500 to $2,500 per adaptation pack. Brands spending $100,000 plus monthly on global ads will gladly pay this because improved local resonance directly increases their ROAS across all markets. Localization packs tap into massive global marketing budgets. Now let's talk about the final method. Method 6. Digital products, perfect if client work isn't your thing, but building once and selling many times is. Here's the play: learn NanoBanana well enough to produce reliable results, document the workflows, teach them publicly, and turn that attention into products. Platforms make this simple: spin up a storefront in minutes and start selling without monthly fees, with Gumroad taking a flat 10% on sales. Promote on social, then link straight to packs. Prompt libraries, workflow PDFs, and Notion systems are already proven digital formats buyers understand. Kickoff offers to ship fast, a prompt collection that shows how to generate clean lifestyle scenes, relights, and product placements for common niches. Add a product localization guide that walks through converting a single creative into culturally native variants across regions for better resonance. Stack a creative QA checklist that teams can apply before publishing: framing, lighting, artifacts, and brand consistency, to reduce ad waste. Price smart: start at $19 to $49 for starter packs, bundle up to $79 to $149 for pro libraries, and reserve a $199 plus flagship course for deep dive business use cases. Distribution is flexible: sell prompt packs on dedicated prompt marketplaces to tap built-in traffic, then migrate bestsellers to a branded store for higher margins. Remember, the content itself is the marketing. Short reels walking through, before/after, and quick slides of the framework will drive qualified buyers. Bottom line: teach in public, package the know-how, and let the storefront work while building an owned audience. The key here is to pick one method and go deep. Remember, NanoBanana has just launched, which means you're getting in early while most people are still watching tutorials instead of building businesses. The opportunity window won't stay this wide forever. If this video helped you see the money-making potential, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI and money-making breakdowns. Drop a comment letting me know which method you're starting with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.